Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to insert curved line shape in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to insert curved line shape in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here many shapes. We go to the line section and select the curved shape. Then click another and carve this line. Then double click and we can see we insert the curved line shape very easily. You can change the color or apply more style. Click the line shape, go to the shape format menu. Then select the shape outline, choose any color. Then go back again this option and increase the white. Now we insert another curved line, go back again the insert menu, click the shapes drop down menu and select the curved line. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.